but unfortunately his dream was broken. He joining the Air Force, but due to some rank, he not joining. But new dream was waiting him. In 1960, he was joined DRDO as a scientist, and then he was promoted in ISRO. Under the APJ Abdul Kalam sir, 5 back-to-back missiles was innovated. In 1997, he was awarded by Bharat Ratna. Then 25 July 2002, he promoted the President of India, and he successfully completed his president. And unfortunately, 27 July 2015, he left us. And the magic word of APJ Abdul Kalam Azad sir is, it is necessary to burn like the sun, to shine like the sun. And second is, dream is not dream is not what you see in sleeping. There is a dream that doesn't let you sleep. And one one thing or I added that he his autography Wings of Fire is very popular in students and the best seller books in Hindi version. In and in my point of view, his every quote word is very energetic. If we all are reading this quote, we feel like full of energy. And the second thing I like in APJ Abdul Kalam sir is when he interact with students and interact with students, and students are asking their question with Azad sir. He replying the answer, and one thing he added that he said that replying with him. So I like it very much because uh, when the students are replying with him, he got full of energy. At last, I say that Kalam sir is always inspire everyone for his work, passion, vision, thought, and quotes. That's all. Thank you.
Okay,
And
that's good.
and
That's good.
one and one thing, or I added that if possible, the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam Azad sir to everyone see in YouTube, who said that Guljar sir. That's all.
Okay, dear friends, we need air, water, and food to live. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
But
Yes,
one
sir.
more thing we need, that is called the motivation. That is called the inspiration. So when you read great people, biography or autobiography, whether it is biography or autobiography, you get inspiration, you get motivation. Okay, so we can say air, water, and food. Then one more thing, motivation. Yes or no? Because
Yes, sir.
animals also do this thing. They also need air, water, and food. But what is major difference between animals and human beings? We do some great
Knowledge.
work.
Sense of movement,
And to do
means of
great work,
thinking.
we need motivation, we need inspiration. Then how can we get motivation and inspiration? From great people. So that's why we must read such type of books to get motivation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now who
Yes,
is
sir.
ready? Some new speakers are silent. Okay, dear friends, don't worry about making mistakes. We all are here to
Yes,
practice
sir.
for English. This is Sagar Patil.
Yes, sir. The great inspiration to the all Indian youth, the Mr. Abdul Pakar Jainuddin Abdul Kalam, were born on October 15, 1931 in Rameshwaram, and he had completed his school in Rameshwaram only, and in the 1954 he had graduated, and soon after next year 1955 he had joined to Madras Institute of Technology for studying the aerospace engineering. And actually the Abdul Kalam sir had the dream to become a fighter pilot in Air Force. But unfortunately, he got the ninth rank. But Air Force, Indian Air Force, were offered the only 8 persons to have only in by missing in one rank. Abdul Kalam sir's dream were something fallen there. And after that, they joined the DRDO, Defense Research. Re- def- yeah,
Agency.
Delhi, and they spent their career from 1963 to 1980 they. And the big landmark in our space research that launching up a satellite launching vehicle 3 made India to select in a rocket launching capability countries, one of the more we- that feeling that is the proud moment for all Indians. And Abdul Kalam sir's contribution in Pokhran 2, the nuclear testing, is also very much contributed there. And in 1982, the sir has made a director for the DMRL Hyderabad. And the sir for his in DRDO's for sir's contribution in missile program. Actually, sir has designed those Prithvi and so much missiles which are using in our armed forces now. With actually, they made a very big milestone in our armed forces, and also the all over the world very much demand for those missiles from our country. It is now very much useful for our country to enhance our economy also. And that's why sir is called as the missile man of India. And they got Padma Bhushan and Bharat Ratna in 1997. And Abdul Kalam sir is the first person to become the principal scientific advisor of India, actually. And in 2002, sir has become the supreme commander of our armed forces. And while he was president of India, they were against death sentence. Actually, they were made a 50 cases to reconsideration from the Supreme Court. Actually, and they were very much interested to talk with all the youths whenever they used to be in the functions. After function get over, they would cross the barricades and interact with the peoples, and to give them inspiration, to give them a motivational speech. The At the last, I would like to tell something about sir. Not only sir being a great scientist and president, from the bottom of his heart, he is a very good human being. He has a he has a very sympathy towards the poor people, and they gave more and more help. They made a very help for the poorer people. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Really, that's wonderful. Sagar has come first time on this platform, but he has prepared a well. He has made a nice plan, and he has also executed this plan properly. So he has given us a lot of information about late APJ Abdul Kalam. So thank you very much, Sagar Patil. And
Thank
now
you, sir.
next,
My pleasure.
Sima Urane Velapur, are you ready to say something about that? All speakers are silent today. I don't know really. I don't know the reason for that, but all speakers are silent today.
Okay, sir. I'm trying to speak about the famous personality. So, I'm going to tell you about a famous person, uh, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15 October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. He specialized in aeronautical engineering from Madras Institute of Technology and become an eminent scientist. Dr. Kalam was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1981, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1997. In 2002, Dr. Kalam became the 11th President of India. He was fondly called the People's President for being the first president in the country to connect with the youth via internet. Named as the Missile Man of India for his contribution in the field, he redefined the presidency during his tenure from 2002 and 2002 to 2007. He often spoke to children and the country's youth, inspiring them to think big in life. He also penned a number of books. I read Wings of Fire in Marathi version, sir. A coincidence that when I completed that book just a week before his death, his 3 steps guide us to achieve goals in our life. The first is finding an life before you are 20 years old. Acquire knowledge continuously to reach this goal. Work hard and results. So that is in our Alchemist book. Yes.
Yeah.
So I again state that books are become a permanent companions for our life, and coming into contact with a good book and possessing it is a everlasting investment. And also one of his quote that I like most, that excellence happens not only by accident, it is a process. So I salute this person from my bottom of heart. We are always proud as an Indian that this great personality born here, and we are lucky that we live in his spirit, sir. So this is all about him. So thank you for listening.
So thank you very much for sharing this all information. Again, my dear friend, this is a language classroom, or this is a language platform. This is not a GK, so don't worry about if you make little bit mistakes about years and like that. But what I want to suggest you today, read about any great person, then make sentences by using your structures and your vocabulary. Okay, so try to practice your language. That is more important. Got it? Can you
Yes, sir.
get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now Ranjana Goswami, she is ready.
Yes, sir. So, sir, most of thing covered by friends. So, still, I want to share my view about late APJ Abdul Kalam. So, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, full name Abul Pakir Jainul Deen Abul Kalam. He was born October 15, 1931 in Rameshwaram and died July 27, 2015, Ceylon. Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India missile and nuclear weapon program. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology. Mm, in 1950 and in 1958 he joined the DRDO. The full form of DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and he soon moved to Indian ISRO Space Organization, means Indian Space Research Organization, yes, sir, where he was project director of the SLV third. And it was Indian first indigenously designed and produced satellite launch vehicle. And he again rejoined DRDO in 1982. Mm, Kalam sir planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles, which helped earn him the nickname Missile Man. And he also wrote several books, including an autobiography and Wings of Fire. Among his numerous awards were two of the country's highest honor, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 and Bharat Ratna 1997. And he also wrote some quote. Um, I like two and three quote. One is, if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. And second one, which one I like, all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talent. And sir, one quote I also like, that you cannot change your future, but you can change your habit, and surely your habit will change your future. Yes, sir, that's it.
So I want this type of information. Actually, I want motivation. Okay, I don't want years and his achievement. No, I don't want. Okay. So how can you get motivation? So when you get some inspiration from him, then you can say, okay, what is it? When I think in 2010 or 11, I read this Fire of Wings. So in my diary also wrote that time, why people will remember you in future. What will be written in history for you? It is in your hand. It's not in my hand, it is in your hand. So this is enough for your inspiration. Yes or no? Why people will remember you? Okay,
Yes.
what will be written in the history for you? So if you think about this topic, you can get motivation, inspiration. Okay, if you are lazy now, if you are doing nothing, then when you get, so why people will remember you? If I just waste my time, then people will not remember you because I haven't done anything in my life. So you will start doing something special. So this is called the inspiration. Why people will remember you? Remember me. What will be written in history for me? Okay. And that's why we are now talking about APJ Abdul Kalam, because now he is in history. Why he is in history now? Why we are talking about that person? Because he has achieved something in his life. He was not handsome. He was not muscles man. He was not
He
tall
was a
like
short man.
Newton.
He was a short man.
Yes, he was not looking attractive. He wasn't handsome. But now we have a lot of respect for that person. And we are talking about that person with respect. Because he's
Yes.
source
He
of
was
inspiration.
he was a very kind-hearted person because he was working in Hyderabad. He made some equipments for the physically handicapped people for less some weight because they could not weight that weight with their legs. They bothered a lot. When he was here, he saw that situation and he made many equipment for the people. And also one day he was going somewhere. The pilot means escort was one policeman stood aside the car for some. He was
Yeah,
bothered a lot, and then after he reached there, he called him and said thanks to him. So in this way, we think how kind-hearted a person he was. That instant,
yeah,
I was heartbroken when I listening when I was listening the book of the Wings of Fire. The audio book also available in YouTube. It's free of cost. I listened in this lockdown time, so I inspired him a lot.
Really superb. Okay. So
And,
again,
and also one more thing, sir. One more thing, sir.
yeah.
When he was studying, he was very poor. So his parents also not supported to him. His sister and his brother-in-law took care of him very much. And one day he was struggling with money. His sister mortgaged her bangles to his study. That incident also I remember. It's a very great. His sister done about him.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's wonderful. Okay, so my dear friends, I
Sir, I
want
would
to
like
ask
to
you.
add one more thing.
Yes, yes, Sagar. Listen to me, then add something.
Sir,
Okay? Because listen
yeah,
to me
okay,
first.
okay, sir, sure.
Listen to me.
Okay, sir.
In my opinion, we should read at least 100 autobiography or biography in our life. That is not important where was he born and when was he born and how long did he live on this earth. What is more important, what he has done for us. Is it clear? How can we get benefits from his work? So whenever you get chance to speak on great personality, don't speak about he was born on that day and he
Yes, yes.
year and
Yes.
okay. This is not GK class. This is a language class.
Yes.
Okay, so again, I want to, should we continue? Should we talk on, should we discuss on great personality on this platform?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Definitely,
sir.
sir.
So do you think any benefits, what type of benefits do you think we can get by discussing such type of great people?
So this will help us to in two ways, sir. Both as well as communication as well as knowing that successes and things they did.
How they motivated the society.
Yes, and one more thing, you can get the variety of vocabulary
Yes, yes.
because
Yes.
all people have different field. All people have different field.
Yes.
So you have to read some words, vocabulary from different fields. You can also get motivation that how they become successful. So you know the path, you know the way how. Then you believe in yourself. They can, I can. They can, they became successful by walking on this path. I can also be a successful person. And this effects on you, it impacts on your personality when you start knowing about great personality. Why we are not great people? Because our surrounding is not full of great people. We are not living around the great people. So how can we know about great people? When we start reading about great personality. So you are just installing good ideas in your brain while reading these great people. And as you sow, as you read, so your installation will come out one day. So should we read? Should we discuss on this platform about great personality?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Definitely.
yes.
So
Yes,
it
sir.
should be our tomorrow's topic. Why should we and what are the benefits and which great personality we should discuss. So tomorrow we will discuss. Okay. Now Sagar Patil, what did you want to add something? Yes.
Yes,
Sir,
still I
please
remember
repeat
one thing,
about
sir.
tomorrow topic.
I will send you everything in email. Okay.
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 Yeah. Sagar Patil.
Still I remember one of the from one program in one function, a girl child from I think she is from sixth or seventh standard. She asked the sir sir, what are the strength and weakness of our India? Actually, sir told one thing, the most important thing, sir. The ignited minds of the 600 million youths of our country is the only strength of our India. That statement is a very inspiration to all the young.
Yeah. Great, 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 great. Sagar. Super. Very nice.
Yeah.
So this is inspiration. Okay. So you will change
And
your way of thinking while knowing these all great people. These people will show you the right path, how to walk and how to utilize your time. Okay.
sir, the simple difference between the inspiration and motivation, I heard something about that. The
Yeah.
motivation is something. The motivation is something which will push up from at a certain instant of time when we are get depressed and all. The inspiration is something we had in our mind that will continuously motivating us from our inside. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. That's good. So now anybody wants to discuss? Now we have only 5 minutes left in this session. So now our session is interesting now. Now you have started speaking. Now you have started sharing. But now still all are silent. Alok Jaina, you don't want to say anything. Jitendra Yadav, then Jaya Bhatt, Pankaj from Udaipur, Sudhanshu,
I want to say
all are silent.
something.
Sudhir also
Hello.
silent today. He is not speaking anything.
Hello.
Narendra is silent. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Alok.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
First of all, I would like to thank you, sir, for joining me.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you very much for joining us. I have to say it's our pleasure. Okay.
Today I am little bit nervous actually, so I am not speak anything. So I have trying to learning English. Last 2 years I think. I'm a BTech mechanical engineer, but I am staying in Halol. But I belong from Odisha.
Okay. So you are in
So
Gujarat now.
yes, sir. So actually, I have watched many videos. After that, I'm trying to contact you. How to contact with you? Uh, so after last, I have seen your video. Then I'm trying to contact with you. So thank you for joining me.
And thank you very much for watching my videos and giving me inspiration and motivation to learn something new.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
now,
actually, I want to say something.
yeah, Narendra, yes.
Sir, actually, I am actually after Rajna Goswami's speech, because my data is very similar to her, so I don't want to share, sir, because it's like time wasting. So nothing is new. That's why I don't want to speak, sir. That's all.
Sir, I would like to add 2 or 3 points about our late former president of India. Uh, when he completed his in engineering astronaut in astronaut as- uh, sorry aerospace, uh, when he started his career in 1960, and he joined DRDS, Development Research and Development Service, sorry, Defense Research and Development Service. Uh, he he started designing some small hovercraft, but he was not convinced that time. So he decided. So he one day after some year in 1969, he transferred in ISRO, where he was project director. And between that time, in 1970 to 1990s time, he made an effort to develop the polar satellite PSLV. We call it in short form PSLV, and SLV third project, which proved to be successful later. And after his, if we talk about when he retired from the president post, after the presidency, he launched a program for the youth of India, uh, uh, called called the what can I give what can I give movement. We called it what can I give movement, with the uh, central theme of defeating the corruption in India. These are the I
Okay,
the
so thank
information
you very
I
much.
wanted to add.
Yes, Anu, thank you very much. And now we have only less than 1 minute, so I have to conclude this whole program. And today I am a little bit disappointed with your all efforts. Many speakers are silent today, and I don't like that thing, because we all are here to practice our English. Whether it is right or wrong, just start speaking. Okay, that is more important. Here is not a IS interview.
Yes, sir.
Here's not the general knowledge class. So how can you practice your language? By speaking? Okay, so please
Tomorrow we will do
speak
better.
whenever you get chance. Okay, so now our time is over, our session is over, and I personally enjoyed because I got a chance to practice